Hi, my name is Jason Cupp. I'm the safety director here at Blue Lakes Charters and Tours. We wanted to post this video to show our customers and employees' well-being is our #1 priority, and it always has been. From day one, we've always used top-of-the-line, hospital-grade cleaners and detergents to clean all of our beautiful coaches. As you can see, this coach is already immaculate. I want to show you a demonstration of what we have, electrostatic charging sprayer. And what that does is it electrifies the molecules in their cleaning products so they cling to all surfaces, just like static would cling to your shirt. So please stay tuned and you'll see how it goes. Now that the fog is settled, let's take a moment and go through and check the coverage. So as you can see, when you enter our Blue Lakes coach, we've got hand sanitizers at the front of every coach, and you can see that is totally saturated. The cool part is it clings to all surfaces, so even the bottom side gets saturated with the cleaning agent. As you walk in, you can see we've got 100% complete coverage, even on the bottom side of the surfaces. Our handrails are all saturated, top and bottom. Let's take a walk inside. You can see the headrests are shining. We've got a beautiful coverage, and seat belts, same thing. Beautiful coverage, top to bottom, every nook and cranny.